Tell one person to sit here. That triple one. Does it get burned?
May căng hả?
Makan lahat ito.
आपका घर कैसा जला है और किस दिन में आपका ये इंसिडेंट हुआ, आप थोड़ा बताइए।
बृहस्पतिवार का रात में 10:30 9:30 बजे ऐसा है, चूल्हा से जला हुआ है। तो हम रात में इसे पेशाब करने के लिए उठा था, तो उस टाइम में आग का आवाज़ सुना, तब तो जल्दी इसे उठा है। उसका बाद में तो आदमी को बुलाया है, तो जल्दी से आदमी आया तो पानी उनी डाल के फिर भी सब जल गया है।
Yeah, I came to this village. I have no idea about the village. I don't know who the person house burned also. I have just seen the post in the group and feelings that it is our duty to help our Tripurasa. So without hesitating any things that we came to help him and stretch our helping hand for. This is the idea of our, or no matter of the any cultures or community, it is our duty to help each and every one of us in our difficulties. So this is the idea of our Bubakra. So we have been sharing. Today I'm here. Next time I may get this kind of problem. So in that time I feel that everybody should give our stretching hand. And today I'm accompanied by my fellow Central YTF Vice President, Mr. Linekar Ranglong, and I give thanks to him for coming way from Joynagar. It is quite far from there, and we came to meet with the family, and we promise him that we, as much as possible, will give our stretching hand for the family.